Hello there, I'm Dr. Delim, your favorite family physician. My mission is to help you and your families stave off unwanted and unexpected visits to the emergency departments of hospitals by helping you and your families make healthy lifestyle choices. Now there had been a demand for me to make an alternative video on how to make hand sanitizer, and I decided to do this to assist those who needed that. So this video is going to take us through the steps of how to make a hand sanitizer. In the earlier version I used homemade aloe vera gel. However, in this video I'm going to be using store-bought aloe vera gel. That's practically the main difference in how to make sanitizers. That's the main difference between the two videos. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll take us through the steps, and I hope you enjoy it. Here are the ingredients. This is store-bought aloe vera. It looks orange in color, right? This is store-bought aloe vera. This is an empty container that I use for my sanitizer. So I'm recycling a used sanitizer bottle. This is a glass cup that I'll use in making measurements. This is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Well, you just walk into the pharmacy and ask for this brand, Moco Spirit, and you'll understand it better. Moco Spirit or Moco isopropyl alcohol. This is some leftover isopropyl alcohol from earlier use for a batch that I prepared a few days ago for a client, and this is a bottle of glycerine. Now this is the bowl that I will use to mix everything together. First of all, you're going to pour in 3/4 cup of isopropyl alcohol. Usually for hand sanitizers, a good ratio is 2 of alcohol to 1 of the aloe vera gel, or 3 of alcohol to 1 of the aloe vera gel. So I'm going to pour in 3/4 cup of isopropyl alcohol. It's about 3/4 cup of isopropyl alcohol. I'll pour it into the bowl. Then I'm going to measure 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. This is about 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. So we are using a ratio of 3 to 1 in this mixture. Yeah, so this is about 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. Here I'm going to pour into the isopropyl alcohol, right? So that does it. And I'm going to dissolve it. If you want your mixture to be thicker, you add more aloe vera gel. If you want it to be more fluid, you add more isopropyl alcohol. Yeah, and you stir until all the gel has relatively dissolved in the isopropyl alcohol. Stir for a while, a few minutes, and you break up the lumps if there are any lumps of aloe vera gel, and make sure you are stirring, or you stir completely. Then you add about 1 to 2 spoons of glycerine. I'm using 2 spoons in this preparation. Continue stirring while I get the bottle ready. I'm going to pour it into a jug. From which I'll pour into a bottle because it's going to make it easier for me to transfer it. There you go. We have our homemade hand sanitizer. Yeah. Now I'll take us through the steps. So I'm going to take us through the steps on how to use a hand sanitizer. First of all, cup your palm, pour some sanitizer onto it. You spread it using the other palm, yeah, and then turn the back of your hand. Use the palm of the other one while interlacing the fingers. Switch hands and do the same thing. Then you put your palms together while spreading the fingers, and then you interlace and rub right. After which you interlock the fingers like this and you rub in this direction. You can switch and rub in the opposite direction, yeah. Then you spread the fingers and you clasp the thumb of the opposite hand and rotate. You do the same thing for the opposite hand in a rotating motion, yeah. And then the next thing you do is you rub the wrists, and leave the hand sanitizer to dry. If you are using soap, now is the time to put it under running water. Now I hope this video helped you. If it did, I'd like you to share it with your friends, your family, your loved ones, and also click the subscribe button. I love you. I love your hand hygiene, and I hope that you all stay safe during this period. Cheers from Dr. Dylan. Make sure you follow us on all our handles. Bye.